The all-metal zinc alloy shell with a high-gloss finish, 2.5D curved glass, and dual-button layout, including a premium digital crown, feels like a modern tribute to mechanical timepieces. The engraved Parisian nail pattern on the crown adds a vintage touch to the otherwise futuristic look. Paired with a dual-sided magnetic strap, the S3 provides instant wearability. No fiddling, no clasps, just snap on and go. Whether you're heading to the gym or a formal meeting, it adjusts to your lifestyle with comfort and elegance. From the moment you lay eyes on the Black Shark S3, its 1.43-inch AMOLED display captivates with a vibrant resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, 326 ppi, and 600 nits brightness. With 16.7 million colors and a 60 Hz refresh rate, everything from watch faces to notifications looks sharp, fluid, and colorful, even under direct sunlight.